Hey, it's Joe from martinsonmanufacturing.com. Today I want to talk about exhaust accessories. On my website I have exhaust accessories to support 2.5-inch hoses all the way up to 8-inch hoses. And knowing what you need can be a little confusing, so I'm here to make it super clear. And if after this video you still have questions, shoot me an email, joe@martinsonmanufacturing.com. What exhaust accessories you need all depends on the size of your hose. Let's start with a 4-inch hose while using a 6-inch AC Infinity fan. If you're running a Glowforge like I am here, this is the exact setup that I recommend to people all the time. On the back of your Glowforge, you'll use the 4-inch exhaust port extension, which fits snugly on your machine. This makes your hose easier to get on and harder to come off. We need a way to connect our 4-inch hose to our 6-inch fan. So we'll use a 4-inch to 6-inch reducer on our fan here. These reducers are the only reducers on the market that are guaranteed to be leak-free without the use of tape. And then finally at your window, you'll use a 4-inch window adapter mounted to your window insert. So, oh, by the way, we just started selling the whole window insert. If you need one of those too, we have them on their website as well. So to recap, if you're using a 4-inch hose like I am here, you'll use 4-inch adapters. You use a 4-inch extension on the back of your Glowforge, 4-inch to 6-inch reducers on your fan, and then a 4-inch adapter on your window insert. If you want to run a 6-inch hose instead, like what you see here, then you'll use 6-inch adapters. You'll use the 6-inch exhaust adapter for the back of your Glowforge. This basically does the same thing as the 4-inch extension. It just allows you to connect a 6-inch hose directly to the back of your machine. We're connecting a 6-inch hose to a 6-inch fan, so no adapters are needed here. It's just a straight connect. And then at your window, you'll use a 6-inch adapter mounted to your window insert instead. So to recap again, if you're using a 6-inch hose, you'll use 6-inch adapters. If you have a different setup that you're running and you're using the bigger 8-inch fan, I have reducers for you as well. I have 8-inch to 4-inch reducers, as well as 8-inch to 6-inch reducers, as well as the corresponding 8-inch window adapter. If you're using a machine that uses a smaller hose, such as the laser box with a 2.5-inch hose, I have reducers for you as well too. I have 2.5-inch to 4-inch reducers for the 4-inch fan, as well as 2.5-inch to 6-inch reducers for the 6-inch fan, as well as a 2.5-inch adapter for your window insert. Well, I hope these visuals were a help to you, to help you get the full picture. If you have any further questions, send me an email, joe@martinsonmanufacturing.com. Happy lasering to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next video.